In this video, I will discuss the differences between the three models of Motex Label Maker. So, this is the E101. This is the E303. And this is the E202. Okay. For the size, E101 is the smallest model, while E303 is a little bit bigger lang than E101 and slimmer. While the E202 is the biggest model of the three. I'll discuss first E101. For E101, you have two options. You can get the one with one wheel only. This is the one with one wheel only. And then, this is the one with two wheels. These are the wheels of E101. This is the one with capital letters and numbers. And the other wheel is the small letters with emoticons. Okay. For E303, there's no option to buy yung with one wheel only. For this set, with two wheels talaga siya. So, these are the wheels of 303. So, this is the capital letters with emoticons. And this is the small letters with numbers and @ sign. So, pakita ko lang yung difference ng emoticons. So, for E303, mas cute lang yung emoticons niya compare sa E101. So, for E303, may heart, may star, musical note. While for E101, @ sign, $sign. So, yun yung difference niya sa wheels. For E202, same with E303, walang option na one wheel only. So, yung package niya comes with two wheels talaga. Ayan. So, I'll show you also the wheels of 202. Ayan. This is the capital letters with numbers. And this is the small letters with emoticons. So, ganyan din yung emoticons niya. Same with 303. May heart, may star, @ sign, may smiley face. So, basically, easy to use naman ang three models. Ang difference lang is yung sa size nga and sa features, etong 202, iba talaga yung features niya. Ayan, and the wheels. So, E101 is the most affordable. Price starts at $285 for the one with one wheel. And then next in 303 and then 202. I will post more videos, more detailed videos on how to use each model and how to troubleshoot. So if you have suggestions, questions, just comment it down below. And please like and subscribe. Thank you.